In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the new Notion forms with a full tutorial that will guide you through each step, ensuring you get the most out of this fantastic tool. Whether you're managing projects, creating documentation, or setting up a collaborative workspace, Notion forms can simplify your workflow. So, let's dive right in and get started. To begin, open your preferred web browser and head over to your connected workspace on Notion, where you handle all your wikis, documents, and projects. It's important for you to be logged into the right workspace where you want to create your form. If you're not logged in yet, simply look for that familiar Login button right on the main page. Click on it and input your credentials. Once you've logged in successfully, you'll land directly on your Notion homepage. From here, you'll want to navigate to the particular page where you'd like to include this new form. This could be an existing project where you're tracking data, a shared document with your team, or any spot that makes sense for your form. Once you find your way there, the next step is to start building the form onto this page, and it begins with a simple command. Type in table. This command allows you to embed a table block onto your current page easily. Now, once you've inserted a table, look for that little plus sign or the plus button. This is where the magic happens. Go ahead and click it. You'll be presented with multiple options, and what you're looking for is the New Form option. Click on New Form, which will add a sleek, customizable form to your workspace. With just a few clicks, you've now learned how to insert and set up a new form in Notion. But here's where you can get creative and personalize the form to suit your needs. Start adding the fields you require. Whether you need text fields, checkboxes, or maybe even drop-down lists, you can customize every aspect to ensure it fits your project's needs perfectly. It's also worth mentioning that forms in Notion are linked to databases, which means that all responses will be automatically collected and stored in a table format. This integration ensures you have seamless access to analyze the data right there on the page. Plus, as your needs evolve, you can always go back and edit or expand the form to accommodate more fields or adjust existing ones. And there you have it, a simple yet comprehensive way to use the new Notion forms to propel your productivity forward. By following these straightforward steps, you can efficiently gather data, manage inputs, and keep everything organized. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you make the most out of your Notion experience. Feel free to leave any questions in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this. Happy organizing!